Allow me to introduce Aaytee, our smart voice-controlled robot. With a 4-color imprint right here on the front face, Aaytee is the perfect companion to make your life a lot more fun. Let's see him in action. Hey, Aaytee. Aaytee has hidden features and hidden sensors all over him, so you can press on the top right here on this bar right here. This is a sensor bar. By pressing it, it'll do different actions. You can press it on the left side of his head and the right side of his head to control different volume and other functions. On right here on his tummy, it's got a record button. By simply pressing it or doing a long hold, you can record your voice and save a voice memo or a greeting for your friend or your colleague. On the bottom is your on-off switch for Aaytee. Then inside the printed area underneath your logo is where his eyes act as lights to indicate what's going on with Aaytee. So if I turn on, you'll see the lights come on underneath the logo, and those will indicate that Aaytee is working and ready for action. Turn left. Yeah. Turn right. Yeah. As you just saw, Aaytee is a ton of fun. He's the perfect giveaway for a lot of conferences, events, or just that memorable gift that people will remember you for forever. Have lots of fun with Aaytee.